Hi, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. My name is Julia. In today's video, I will show you how to make a bow using multiple ribbons with my bowdabra bow maker. So this is the large bowdabra bow maker, which you can purchase on the link down below. I will be posting it, and I will be using 4 types of ribbons. So I'll be using this white ribbon. This will be the base of the bow. I'm also going to be using this red thinner ribbon, this green ribbon, a little bit of shimmer, and I'm using the colors that matches this ribbon. I just want to coordinate the ribbons that I'm using, and I will possibly use this one, this Christmas tree. I'm also going to be using a pair of scissors, my bowdabra wire, which is this one right here. You can also purchase this on the website. The link will be down below. And it has a lot of wire. And let's begin. So let's start off with the wider ribbon. Actually, don't forget to attach your wire to the bow maker. So what I do is I fold it in half so that you can have a loop like this. So now you attach it to the bow maker. It's at the bottom. Okay. So now I'm going to start off with the tails of the bow. You can make them as long or as short as you like. So now that you have your tails, I'm going to start with making the bow. I hope I have enough ribbon. I think I do. So I used this ribbon last year when I was making some Grinch wreaths. And this is the perfect color. So always have the print facing down. So when you make your bow, the print is always showing on top of the bow. Okay, so you're going to do a little twist, and that's how you get the print of the ribbon facing up. And here I'm just measuring to make sure I have the same size of the loops of the ribbon of the bow. I will be making 3 loops on each side of the bow, about the same size. The second one. Like this, and don't forget to do a twist. And another one. Twist. But this bow maker is really easy to make your bows. It's perfect for your Christmas tree topper, Christmas gifts, gift. Presents. Alright, so now that I made the 3 loops, I will be cutting the ribbon. So now let's add, I'm going to add the green shimmery ribbon. I will be doing the tails first. Something you can also do is add the tails at the bottom for the base of all the ribbons and then continue by making your bow. Or you can do this method as well. It should look good both ways. Here's the tail, and this ribbon really matches with this one. As you can see, it's the same color. I purchased this ribbon at Sam's Club. You can also order online if you have a membership. And it's, I think I got it for like $6, $5 something. I'm not sure. Got it last year, but it will last you for a very long time, depending on the projects you make. So what I do is just hold this together, put it in the bow maker, and then I start working with my loops. So these loops will be smaller than the bottom loops, just to create a bit of dimension as you're working with your bow. One, two, I also want to take the time to say thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you for the old subscribers who have been following me since I started. Thank you so much for subscribing and following my YouTube journey. I know I haven't been posting that much here on YouTube or on my social media actually. It's just been really busy for me. So with this green ribbon, I'll be doing 4 loops on each side. This is the 4th one. Okay, so now I'll be using my red ribbon. This is how it looks. This is the top and the back side. And I'll be adding my tails first. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It will really help me out. And give this video a like so I can see if you guys like this type of videos. And let me know something about you, what crafting you like to make. So because I did 3 loops of the green ribbon, I'll be doing 3 loops. I did 4 loops of the green, and for the red I'll be doing 3. And the loops are going to be a little smaller than the green one. Are you guys getting ready for Christmas? Have you started your Christmas shopping? I haven't started yet. I don't really shop much. I think I'm just getting things for my kids. Okay, so this is the third one. And here is the Christmas tree ribbon. It's very pretty. And all the ribbons I'm using have a little bit of shimmer. If you're into shimmer, these ribbons are really nice. So I'm not sure if I'll be making a tail with this one. So because it has Christmas tree like this, I don't want the Christmas tree to go like facing down. So in this case, I'll be cutting the tails in 2 parts. So it's going to be 1 piece. And then I will add the other piece. It's a little bit more difficult when the ribbon have prints like this. Only if you want the print to look on the same side, facing the same way. So with this one, I'm just going to be doing 2 loops, or actually just one on each side. Like so. And I will be doing just a tiny loop with the green ribbon. This will be the top one. Okay, so we did use a total of 4 different ribbons. So as you can see, there's a lot of fabric here, a lot of fabric, and the tails. So now I'll be using my wand to press down everything. So now let's use the bow wire. Place the end of the wire inside the loop. Press it down. I'm just going to do 1 knot. Pull up. Place down. And make 2 knots on the back of the bow. It will look like this. Now I'm going to cut the ends of the tails. This is a very easy way to cut them. So I like to fold them in half and just cut. After you cut all your tails, you fluff your bow. So I like to start off with the bottom. Six, 3. Let's do the green. It looks very pretty when the light hits this green ribbon. Okay, now let's do the red. And like I said, you can use this for your wreath, for your tree topper, to decorate your door, for whatever you want. And there you go. Here is the final look of this Christmas bow. I really hope you like it and give it a try. You can follow me on my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Let me know if you try it and if you would like to post it, and tag me on your photos. Here's a closer look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video and see you in the next video. Bye.